Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com here, back today with another cryptocurrency video. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the altcoins that I think is the most oversold right now, and kind of giving you a little bit of a technical analysis to explain my point of view, and that's going to be Navcoin. Now, I noticed this evening while I was, looking at some of the cryptocurrencies out there that a lot of the altcoins are bouncing tonight, and now that Bitcoin Cash is starting to fall back down, that seems like all that drama will be out of the way, at least temporarily, right? So Bitcoin is moving back up, as well as the altcoins, and I think they'll get a nice bounce, overall. Now, Navcoin specifically is actually at some pretty low levels, and like I said, I'll get to that in the technical analysis. But just to explain really quickly, I'm not going to, go into any details of Navcoin. If you want to know my more detailed thoughts on Navcoin, it is a cryptocurrency that I think is really strong fundamentally. You should definitely check out my price prediction video on it, and I'll leave a link to that in the comment section and the description below. But just look at the market cap on this one. It's a very small market cap, and considering the fact that it's, for one, at a pretty low valuation and oversold, that's a pretty, in my opinion, good combination to really see some nice, price gains in the near future. So without further ado, let me jump into the technical analysis here and kind of give you an idea of what's going on. And by the way, let me know if you want me to do more videos like this when I spot, potential opportunities. Now, of course, I'm not giving financial advice. This is just my opinion. But, it's kind of my job as, the owner of this YouTube channel to kind of update you guys, I think, when I see some interesting setups. So definitely let me know if you have a serious idea for something along these lines. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on this. But what's been going on with Navcoin right now? Well, as you can see, for one, Navcoin has been, it downtrended for a while, right? We broke out of that, and now it's been consolidating. But what you have to realize is a couple months back here, it was actually at made an all-time high of $2, right? And it dropped significantly from that point, where now we're at about, more than 50% below that price level of $2. So that's going to be a 100%, over a 100% increase if the price can reach that. And like I said, don't forget that Navcoin is at a low valuation, so it could even go much higher than $2 if it's able to break above that. And to get into what's really going on here with the uptrend line and all that, so like I said, we downtrended away from this $2 all-time high. Not that long ago, we managed to break out of that, and we were attempted to make a move that failed at about $1, where it didn't manage to go past these previous resistance levels and these previous candlesticks. We actually tested that now 3 times, and we're also climbing along slowly but surely this uptrend line, which is serving as the main support level right now for Navcoin. And just today, we dipped below that just a bit, and we're now bouncing pretty strongly off that, up 10% right now. So I think that, like I said, seeing how the general market is acting right now, which looks like it's going to be a bit of a bounce here for, like I said, a lot of altcoins are oversold, so I think many will, return to higher levels, and Bitcoin seems to, like, it'll now move back slowly but surely now that Bitcoin Cash is out of the way, like I said, at least in the short term. And Navcoin, I think, is going to see a very similar experience, but, considering the fact that it already tested this $1 area multiple times and wasn't able to go, I think that if it manages to test it one more time, this is going to be the time where there's going to be enough strength to really break through that, at which point, it'll probably kick up much higher. Now, of course, it'll probably face some resistance, maybe at $1.56. It really depends, but once it's above this $1 mark, I think that we'll see the climb to $2 relatively quickly, and I do expect it to move even above $2 probably by the end of 2018. So very interesting setup right now, and as you can see, very nice bounce off this uptrend line. So to kind of give you guys an update on the indicators here, we're also, you know, of course, facing some resistance, like with the price on the RSI. That's just going to be a level to pay attention to. And as far as the histogram goes, I can draw, I guess, a little bit of an uptrend line over here. And let me see if there's any kind of downtrending action in the making. I guess a little bit of some of a symmetrical triangle there on the histogram. Honestly, not that much to pay attention to, you know, because right now we are, like I said, consolidating despite the fact that we have, you know, a little bit of upward support. So the MACD is kind of irrelevant right now. It's pretty flat. But the big thing to pay attention to is just understand the dynamics of the market as of right now, and the fact that I'm kind of predicting a bounce in the altcoin market, and how low Navcoin is, right, compared to its all-time high over here. Like I said, over a 50% decrease, right? So this is definitely something that I'm paying attention to. And for anybody who says that, you know, I'm trying to pump up this coin or anything like that, I don't even own Navcoin. I don't even plan on purchasing it here, which may seem kind of dumb, but I'm building up positions in Litecoin and Bitcoin right now, so that's kind of my focus. And yeah, that's just kind of what I'm working on. I can't trade all these cryptocurrencies at once. That's distracting me from a lot of things. You know, I'm working pretty hard on this YouTube channel as well. So I just wanted to explain that for anybody who was going to doubt me on that point. But yeah, let me know what you think of this. I think that it's a pretty good setup right now. So I'd like to hear your thoughts. But other than that, thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.